hamburger bun. I just pulled this out of the freezer, so see, it's nice and firm. Okay, this is what you want. Now what I want to do is go ahead and continue to smooth it. Now I can start with this, kind of cup it a little bit, and just come from the bottom up towards the top. And this is just kind of scraping it a little bit, making it a little smoother. Okay, and then take off that excess. Now at this point, what I want to do is just add a little bit more of the fresh buttercream and just kind of go over the entire cake. What this does is it's going to fill in any of the little holes, any air bubbles, or any like little blemishes where it wasn't smooth. And then I'm going to take my acetate paper and then go ahead and smooth it out even more. Now I take the acetate, and actually I'm going to go this way all the way around. I'm going to make the turntable work for me. So gently press down and turn the turntable. Now I'm going to come across the cake up towards the top. Ooh, see that right there? See that right there? That crease? What happens sometimes when I've used this a lot is you can't even see it, but this is how you'll know. There's actually a little bit of a tear there. And that's what happens when you use these quite a bit. And all you have to do is either cut that part off, which I'll try that. And if that doesn't work, then all I have to do is cut a new piece. Once I get it filled in like that, I'm going to go ahead and take this larger one and see if this will just kind of smooths out a bigger area, and you'll have less lines. And I just kind of keep going back and forth between the two, get it how you want it. And then I'll go ahead and refrigerate this while I'm waiting, while I pull the bottom part of the bun out, I should say. And then I'll airbrush both of them at the same time. I just don't like to have it sitting out, not refrigerated, because later we're going to actually pick this up. Remember, this cake, the bun, top of the bun here, is not on a cake. I mean, it's on a cake board, obviously, but it's not on a cake board that's the same size as the cake. We're going to have to lift this off to place it on top of the hamburger patty. So I don't want it to be too soft, or your cake might crumble when you pick it up. So this is good enough. I'm going to go ahead and refrigerate it, and I'm going to pull the bottom part of the bun out and smooth that.